Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart, the largest, or second largest I should say, trade fair for motorhomes, campervans, or caravans in Europe. This is a Carthago i 5.9 XL LE, and this is an exceptionally attractive vehicle, and it comes at an exceptionally attractive price if I can find it to give to you, which I can't, so you're going to have to sort of imagine what it is. You can put it here up 5 or 5.5 ton basis. It'll weigh under 4,200, so you've got at least 800 kilos of payload, and there is the price. Very small letters. I thought it said 192, but it doesn't. It's 152. And what's the final price? Can't find it, but there you go, 200,000 euros. Right, let's come in. Lovely corner piece, salon semi-dinette here. Wonderful sound, I think. That 40-inch television as well. This has to be seen, I suppose, watching it from up front. Note how much space is gained by not having a bed over here, so it makes it loses its automotive look to a certain extent. Maybe not quite, because of you can still see part of the dashboard up there, but it makes it look, I think, to a large extent like a home. What I don't like, as if you've seen my videos before, you'll know, can't stand space being wasted in corners. That really gets my goat. Here we have this kitchen here, which comes with a sink and 3 burners over here, and a lot of space for food preparation. Nothing gets my goat as things like this. Again, once more, what you're supposed to do with that, nothing you can do with it. It's daft, shouldn't be there, or it should be there, but with a way of stopping things falling down onto the ground. Here we've got these drawers, there you go, and over here as well. Now, note one thing, it's got this really deep double floor, and if I stand on this bit here, trying to stand on this bit here, open that and open that, lift this thing up here, and this is really brilliant in Carthago. Carthago has the best double floor around, in my opinion. I mean, this Hymer SLC system is nice, but it's not as good as the Carthago one, I think. Or maybe it is. Maybe it's similar. Over here we have got the fridge, the freezer, and the grill up there, and coming towards the back here, so this is the bedroom, washroom, and a dressing area. We have this thing here, we'll move across to close that bit off should you want. It does have a gap down there, but now let's come inside. So you see the flat floor all the way back down here. I can close this over, open this up like that, because obviously it's closed on the other side. The toilet, we've got heating in the toilet. Look at all this space, it's enormous. It really is. Really, really big. And this is a great dressing area, in my opinion. It's absolutely outstanding. Lots and lots of space. For those who want to close themselves off from this angle as well, this comes across. So this should come across. No, it's not that bit. Oh, sorry, there's been an accident here, I see. And this comes across here. Let's see if this will come across. No, it doesn't want to come across, but that's the reason this thing is out. There you go, comes across now. There we go. And I see there's been an accident on that side. It's no longer there. But there's supposedly 2 solid dividers in this. That could be somebody just pulling and playing around with it. Storage under there. Also, you can open it this way if you want. Well, the light came on then, that's good. Certain brands, the lights never work, won't mention the name now. And this comes up like that. Again, you can get in this way as well if you want. Light came on. Got there part of the bed. That is the infill, which will go in here to make what I call the German layout. We can pull this thing here forward, right? So, and then this will, you see, under the bed. There's supposedly the infill up there as well. That seems to be broken. Don't know why anyway. I'll tell them about it. Things get broken at events a lot. Right, so very, very attractive motorhome, I think. Wardrobe there. You've got all your clothes here, so you can easily get dressed. And let's have a walk down it again. I think it's a super attractive vehicle. Mercedes chassis, mind you, 200,000 euros is expected to be pretty nice. And right, so let's now go out and have a look outside. It comes here, as you can see, we've got this access here to the double floor. See how big it is. I mean, you've got through storage, so you've got long things like skis and things like that. You've got space to put them in, and this it makes a huge difference. Also, the temperature inside, it's on a tag axle. There you are, up to 350 kilos will go in this enormous garage. But here we have also something I don't like though. Many of the battery parts you don't need to get access to really very often, rarely, only service conditions. But if you've got fuses which are hidden behind these things, I don't like that. I think the fuses should be easily accessible. In here we've got the dog's shower, outer shower, big door, got a big door on the other side, which I'm not going to see from that angle. I'm going to have to walk around. Now this event is about to open, so that's why you can hear the hoovers going off. Well, about to open, still got another hour or so before that happens. Today is the second Saturday, so this is the day when people make sales. It seems as though sales are pretty strong though, which was something I wasn't expecting before I came here. Anyway, there you go. There's a Chic C Line XL. I'll have to see if I can get myself down to Aulendorf where they're manufactured, and so I can actually film these vehicles in more detail than I'm able to do from here. For the moment, from me in Stuttgart. Thanks for watching and bye for now.